Okay, so we're gonna check in now. Let me grab that bag. And we're gonna have a guitar adventure tomorrow, and we're going to do my first surfing today. I actually never did surfing before. And before I was very pissed off because, you know, I was very sleepy, I had to wait. But I want to check my 4.5k room because, you know, that's how rich people do. They want to check their rooms and they want to check in. So after that, I'm gonna go surfing, and now we're gonna like check in, do everything. And tomorrow we have a grand adventure, Precious. We're gonna be seeing islands. We're going deep into the province.
Yeah.
So this is the life I'm living. Why are you hiding your butt? Look at this girl. So yeah, I calmed down now. Let's check in. Let's see what's in store. Hi. It's okay now. Check everything na.
You look for us. Yeah, we forgot to
sorry
inform
na.
that we went to museum.
Yeah, we went for a backline na. Went for a walk. That's how many sweets. The chef one, 85 per piece. Na. Nice, na. It's good for surfing now after this. So this is 4.5k. And after that, yeah, we go surfing. Tomorrow's a grand adventure. This is one of the fanciest resorts out here, especially the room we have. So I wanted to show it to you guys. It's almost to European prices. You know what I think about European prices, but come on, with this, anyone would pay 4.5k. I don't know where. Are the glasses in the back, Precious?
Yeah.
So let's see what kind of quality you get in Philippines for 4.5k.
We have our own balcony.
Home balcony, nice na. Do you know what's the difference between the premium and the superior? The 3.5 and 4.5k.
No fridge. No fridge.
Ah, that's the difference.
Yes.
Okay. And
Thank you.
Salama, thank you. So this is the room we had available because this one is 4.5k. They have 3.5k but without fridge.
Wow.
But I think this one's a bit
It's
fancier.
very huge.
Okay, so the quality is definitely here. Actually, this is known one of the fancier ones. Like, open the thing here. This is like if you're a VIP boss or with family. And very heavy windows. Holy shit. So yeah, nice, nah. You can see my neighbors over there. So we're gonna go surfing. Look at this. Yeah, it's a room, but it's beachfront. You're paying like 4.5k for beachfront, nah. Trash can, and you can sit down here later. So if you got like a neighbor, I'm the only foreigner here by a far mile. I'm gonna go surf there, which is gonna be nice. Take off. We're gonna go surfing.
Yes.
Now.
Wait lang. Ayaw ba? Wait lang.
Into the corner.
Face the wait lang, ma'am. Let me.
So guys, it's actually very safe here. The reason why I like this is you can leave like, you know, this watch. Thank you. But you can leave it anywhere. Actually pretty nice if you turn it around. It's mogging, you know. It's a real mogger watch. But they got a little cafe there. I want to check later. I don't know. So it's nice here. And also lights outside. One. So they have lights. They have basically like checking on the restaurant. What are you doing? Filming here? So I guess this fridge is 1,000, but when I check the other rooms, this one is much fancier for 1,000 pesos, right? So 9 cat. So let's check what the difference is here. Unlock this door. Bam, you go here. I'm just gonna go barefoot. So actually it's a very peaceful area here. You know, like very big walls too. Yo, what the heck?
Huh?
You tried to trap me outside.
No, it's just the wind.
Oh.
What are you talking about?
And look at the walls. Very thick walls. You know, one thing in Philippines, the walls are so bad. Why is some hotels and service so expensive in the Philippines? Like 3K and you get like a wood hut. But here, is it worth 4.5K
Yes.
including breakfast here?
Yes.
Like
Because
we
have
tried to find
coffee.
3.5 but was used up.
But this one is very accessible as well. We have a very nice beachfront. We're very near to the surfing area. And for me, this is a very good deal.
I think so too. I think 3.5K would be perfect, but if it's unavailable, it's Friday. If Filipinos can book it, a foreigner can book it, right? So I just took out my shirt because it's super hot. And I need to find a SIM card somewhere in the town. They have SIM cards,
Yes.
maybe like 128 gigabytes, 256
Yeah, we can check,
gigabytes.
7-Eleven. Wait, let me
It's
just-
very safe here. You don't wanna like live somewhere in Mati for like 1K pesos and then find your shit stolen or the neighbor like knocking down and on your door. Can you close this? Oh, but one thing that's missing,
You know what's nice? It's high
this.
ceiling.
You wake up, might show it later. You wake up and there's a lot of free divers here. Oh, there is AC. I thought there was no AC. Look at this size of this. That's huge. But how are you supposed to like reach it?
We have a very
How are Filipinos supposed to reach the AC? Are they like, is that to save money?
lampshade.
23, how much?
Well, this is a
I'm tall, so what's nice?
lampshade.
This is the fancier room. Are you happy? Have you ever been in a room fancy like
Wait,
this?
of course, with my family. It's not
Wish
my
you
first.
have a colorful life. I thought it's your first time to be like,
No,
to even
it's
see a
not.
fridge.
It's not my first. Me and my family, we traveled every summer. So sometimes we like book hotels or resorts. So it's not my first time in this kind of place.
So if you brought like a
No.
Filipina here, she would be shocked.
No, I'm not shocked because.
What if you brought another Filipina that like hasn't discovered shower yet and uses a bucket to shower?
I don't wanna say. I don't wanna say.
Would you like it? Would she be impressed and stay with the person if you
Uh-huh.
did like fancy dining for her or like
No.
expensive whiskey?
If they are not into all of the stuffs for them, it's gonna be like very new and they always want more.
What do you
But
mean
if-
not into stuff? I think Filipinas are into flash.
didn't experience this fancy life. And not everyone is fortunate, babe, to experience this adventure, the travel. Not everyone came from a good family, so.
So why all the Filipinas wear fake Gucci?
I don't
Or
know.
is it real Gucci? It's only here. Gucci
I
is
don't
only
even-
100 pesos.
They have I guess the imitations one.
What?
The imitation.
Why?
I don't know.
Are they
how-
rich enough to afford it? Are they king of reps? They
Maybe.
love reps.
Maybe, but I'm not really into branded stuffs, you know that. I'm just preparing your outfit.
Well, that sucks to be you then, because I will have all the reps and you will have none.
What do you?
I will wear
Yeah, you-
designer, fake
I mean,
designer.
For me, it doesn't matter about the brands, the designs, or what. It's how about you handle a certain dress or outfit. Or
So why
any
so many
things.
girls here handle like a 100 peso dress like it's like they're millionaires?
I don't know. Like sometimes it's not about how you dress. It's all about your manner and everything, your etiquette and stuff like that.
You got a big manner there.
Wait, I will just arrange. I want to organize everything. Hey, stop.
So this is our packing area. But yeah, guys, don't like. Let's turn on the TV. Let's see what they have. Oh, that's the
Well, I
AC.
forgot to ask for Wi-Fi. Later na lang.
We'll just return and I'll press them about it. Let's do 16 degrees now. Bam. This is my VIP star experience. See? Beds on the table. I'm gonna go surfing later. Surfing is like $10. Don't give us damn. And go here. I gained some weight from all the Jollibee. So let's play some copyrighted stuff so they have on TV. What I don't understand is it's 2025 and there's still no smart like Netflix. Everyone who comes here is probably like with 4 people. They want to watch Netflix. There's a lot of divers here.
I don't know because most of the people just not to watch television.
A racist would say, what's that? I guess American programs. They even have American programs. Look, the stuff that happens soon. Look at that. That's crazy. But anyway, how much are accommodations usually in Mati? Like 1K up. I paid $560 yesterday. I didn't even make a video. It looked like a prison cell, but I only slept over inside.
There's only.
That's too westernized.
What?
This.
What do you
Hot.
mean?
Why do you have fire on it?
I like it. Usually when I do free diving, I have different types of bikini. Hey.
Why?
I just love.
I need a SIM card if we're gonna do like these adventures.
Fashion. Something's not about being Western.
I know. I'm just
It's all
joking.
about how are you as a person, in a healthy manner. That's it. It's not about how you
Anyway, terrible what happened, but you got a small TV. What more else is to say? That's $80. I think. Oh yeah. How did I forget to almost turn up the curtains? But that's the thing is there's like different rates. So if you have a family, can be up to $100. So 5K, 6K pesos, 7K pesos, 8K pesos. But that's good for 10 people. So in fact, you know, you're paying a very small price for that amount because you share it with 10 people. But if you're two persons, of course it's gonna add up. But usually what happens is you pay extra for the bed and then you wake up to this, you get like a nice beach. What you don't want though is like wake up, you save like $20 or 1,000 pesos, and what ends up happening, you just end up spending this shit on trikes. That's the worst, I think. This is probably the most expensive I had so far. I can check the bars later. I'm just super sleepy. They even have a billiard table. So that billiard table night, like a random lady walking there up and down. Lots of rich people here, like lots of families. But if you want to impress some people, that's where you bring up someone, you know? Like the only issue is you have to travel 3-4 hours. So some people want to impress, some people want a safe place to stay, and it's, in my opinion, very safe. Everywhere it's safe, but you want to stay close to the beach, which is like probably the main thing of Philippines anyway, and the beachfront. And I don't know, at this certain time, it's like 3K up, so 50 euros up in Europe to get a room, to get like a small room near the beach, not even beachfront. The beachfronts are 5K up per night, or like, yeah, 5K pesos, 6K pesos, just for one bedroom for the beachfront. So just imagine this being yours for $80. But there's obviously cheaper options. As I go more in the province, I'll show you more, guys, but be sure to smash that like button. I was a little pissed off today at random stuff, at, you know, stuff how it's happening in the Philippines, but I really enjoy it here. I really feel respected, which how every person should feel. So yeah, look at this. Absolutely amazing. Everything is prepared. Watch organized, dirty stuff organized, ready for the beach. And I'll go surfing. Peace, guys.